Morning class. Sometimes we need to use numbers with a negative sign. The most common area is expressing the temperature. In cold region, the temperature goes below zero and the temperature as negative number. In this lesson, we'll learn about collection of negative number, positive number and whole number, that is also known as integer. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define integers, explain integers on a number line, define ordering of integers, find addition and subtraction of integers, define addition and subtraction of integers on a number line. Hello students, you already know about natural numbers and the whole numbers. If we put negative numbers and whole numbers together, the collection of number is known as integers. This figure represents a line marked with some points at equal distance. A point on it is marked as 0. The point to the right of 0 are positive integer. Point to the left of 0 are negative integer and are marked -1, -2, -3 and so on. This type of representation of integer is called the number line representation. Here, to mark +2 on the number line, we move 2 points to the right of 0. Similarly, to represent -5, we move 5 points left of 0. Let us again observe the integers which are represented on number line. We know that 9 is greater than 5. In on number line, 4 points right of 5. Similarly, 5 is greater than 0, so place right to it. Since 0 is to the right of -2, so it is greater than -2. Again, -2 is on the right of -7, so -2 is greater than -7. Thus, we see that on the number line, the bigger number are placed right and smaller at the left. Addition of two positive numbers. Example. A boy is riding a ladder staircase. He goes 6 steps up from the ground and halts for a while, then goes up 4 more steps. How many stairs he goes up from the ground? +6 plus 4 is equal to +6 plus 4, which equal +10. Addition of two negative numbers. Example. In a game, you have to pick up any two pieces of paper on which a number is written. You have to add the number written on these two papers. Suppose you get -2 and -5. What is the result of addition of these two numbers? -2 plus -5 is equal to -2 plus 5, which equals -7. Addition of two integers. Example. Suppose in the above game you get the number +5 and -9 on the slips. What is the sum? +5 plus -9, which is equal to -4. Students, now we learn addition of two positive integers on a number line. If we add 6 and 4 on a number line, the first moves 6 steps to the right from 0, reaching 6, and then we move 4 more steps to the right of 6 and reach 10. Thus, we get 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Let us add two negative numbers, -5 and -4 on the number line. In this case, first we move 5 steps to the left of 0, reaching minus 5, and then we move 4 steps to the left of minus 5 and reach minus 9. So we see when we have two positive integers, their sum is a positive integer. When we add two negative integers, their sum is a negative integer. An ant is moving on a number line. It moves 6 points right from 0 and then comes 2 points back. Where is it at present? It will be at 6 plus minus 2 is equal to 4th point to the right of 0. If the same ant moves 6 points left and then 4 points to the right, then where it will be? It will be at minus 6 plus within bracket plus 4 equals minus 2. That is second point to left of 0. Now we will learn additive inverse. Suppose the ant walk 3 points from 0 to the right side and walk back 3 points. Where does it reach ultimately? You can see that it will reach to 0. We add 2 and minus 2. We obtain the sum as 0. Numbers such as 3 and minus 3, 2 and minus 2, when added to each other, gives the sum 0. They are called additive inverse. For better understanding, we can see one example. We arrange the numbers so that the positive integers and the negative integers are grouped together. Now let us find the value of minus 10 minus minus 5 using a number line. This is same as minus 10 and plus 5, and the additive inverse of minus 5 is 5. Thus, we move 5 steps to the right of the number line starting from minus 10. We reach to minus 5. State the correct statement as true or false. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. The set of integer is z, which is equal to within bracket minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. On the number line, all negative integers lie to the left of 0 and all positive integers lie to the right of 0. The number 0 is less than every positive integer and greater than every negative integer. Rules for addition and subtraction of integers. 1. When two positive integers are added, we get a positive integer. When two negative integers are added, we get a negative integer. When one positive and one negative integer are added, we subtract them and put the sign of the bigger integer. The subtraction of an integer is the same as the addition of its additive inverse. Today we'll discuss addition and subtraction of integers. Let's begin. Addition of integers using a number line. Let us look at a few examples. Example 1. Add positive 5 plus positive 3. Firstly, start from 0 and move 5 places to the right. We reach positive 5. Now, go 3 places to the right from positive 5 and reach positive 8. Look, we found the answer. Yes, it is positive 8. Hence, positive 5 plus positive 3 is equal to positive 8. Example 2. Find negative 5 plus negative 4. Start from 0 and go 5 places to the left, that is in the negative direction. We reach negative 5. Now, on moving another 4 places to the left from negative 5, we reach negative 9. Hence, negative 5 plus negative 4 is equal to negative 9. Example 3. Find 3 plus negative 5. Firstly, start from 0 and move 3 places to the right. We reach positive 3. Now, we move 5 places to the left, that is in the negative direction from positive 3, and reach negative 2. Therefore, 3 plus negative 5 is equal to negative 2. Lastly, example 4. Find negative 5 plus positive 2. Start from 0 and move 5 places to the left, that is in the negative direction. Look, we have reached negative 5. From negative 5, we move 2 places to the right and reach negative 3. Thus, we get the answer as negative 5 plus positive 2 is equal to negative 3. Coming to subtraction of integers using a number line. Let us solve a few examples to understand in a better way. Example 1. Find negative 3 minus 4. Step 1. Change the subtraction problem into an addition problem. That is, change the sign of subtraction from positive to negative or negative to positive. So, here on changing, we get the addition problem, thus negative 3 plus negative 4. Step 2. Follow the rules used for addition using the number line. Start from 0 and move 3 places to the left, that is in the negative direction. Look, we have reached negative 3. From negative 3, we move 4 places again to the left and reach negative 7. We reach the answer. Example 2. Find negative 5 minus negative 3. So, here on changing the subtraction problem into addition problem, we get the new question as negative 5 plus positive 3. Now, let us use the number line to solve this problem. Start from 0 and move 5 places to the left, that is in the negative direction. From this point, we move 3 places to the right and reach negative 2. Thus, we get the answer as negative 2.